welcome back to our live. Official score 27-37. Let's go. Uy, wala. Rebound ng San Juan Integrated. To number 14, to number 27. Oh, wala. Rebound. Out of bounds, last touch. Number 14. Pass to number 28. To number 27. Fade away, no good. Rebound ng Central, too strong. Rebound again by number 14. Pass number 29. Floater, basket is good. 39-27. Felipe. Bad pass, steal by number 14. Number 14, pinasa loob. Kita yan ating referee. 39-27. 12-point lead para sa Central. Felipe. Oh, another steal for Central. 3 against 1. What a pass. What an extra pass. Top of 14. Oh, that's a 3 seconds violation. Ayan na, si Roa. Roa, pass to Esteban. Esteban, catch and shoot. Basket. Papiso-piso lang doon si Esteban sa Gedli. Babasa 10 ang lamang ng Central. Bounce pass to number 27. Almost steal. Ayan na, pressure defense si Binky. Oh! There's a foul by Felipe. Ramos. Pass to number 0. Basket. 41-29. Paul. Pass to Esteban. Esteban. Back to Paul. Kelila to Esteban. Pass to Paul. Paul, top of the key, 4-3, no good, rebound. Uy, may tulak. Cross-court pass, Roa, 4-3. Wow! Ay, sorry. Mali nalagay. 3-point for Roa, 32-41. Number 14, pass to number 28, back to number 14, to number 28, catch and shoot, in and out, rebound by number 0. Number 0 nagagawan. Uy. Napakabilis na pangyayari. Napakabilis naman ni Paul doon. Basket. Masok ba, Paul? There's a foul. Second shot is good. Like po Kililan, 33-41 plus ball possession. Paul, pass to Roa. Roa, drop pass to Esteban, miss. Pahe with a strong pickup and basket is good for Pahe. Maganda ang nilalaro ng ating big man na si Pahe. 41-35. Number 29, stop and pump. Yes, sir. At may sagot doon ang San Juan Central. Balik sa 8 ang lamang. Paul. Pass to Roa for 3. Short. Rebound. Ayan na ang San Juan. Number 29. Short. Rebound by Kalilan. Paul nakalusot. Here comes Paul. Nagmamadali. Pass to Esteban. Esteban and 1. Basket count and 1 for Esteban. Remaining time 5 minutes and 48 seconds. 45-35. Oh, correction. Ano ba, ere? Sorry. 37. And Esteban gets at points for a 3-point play. Baba sa 5 ang lamang ng Central. Number 28. Running shot to number 21. Too strong. Rebound by Sunny. Outlet pass to Roa. Roa nagmamadali all the way. Basket! Time out. San Juan Central. What a nice catch and shoot for Roa. Assist by Sunny. Tingnan muna natin ang timeout dito ng Central. 40. With the time remaining 5 minutes and 29 seconds. Back to the ball game. The pass to number 28. Side step. Running shot. Miss. Rebound. Uy. There's a foul by Sunny Santiago. Number 27 gets a foul. Nakakapul sa ulo. And sportsmanship from both team. Foul by Sunny Santiago. 5 minutes and 6 seconds. Number 27 basket. Second shot. Wala. Back to the ball game, 44-40. Paul. Pass to Esteban. Panas sa corner, 4-3. No good. Rebound, number 29. Pass to number 28. 3 against 2. Bounce pass. Sa loob, number 20. No, 1. Basket. Balik sa 6 ang lamang. Esteban, up and under. Bad pass. Steal by number 28. Ay na tumatakbo. Uy! Natapikan. Last touch. Santa Lucia basketball. Good defense dito para kay Paul Kilitan and the rest of the team of Santa Lucia Elementary. Kililan. Pass to Esteban. Up and under. Miss. Rebound by Sunny. Pass to Paul. Kililan with the hesi. Pinas sa loob. Esteban using the glass. No good. Another offensive rebound by Esteban. Pass to Andre. Andre umatake. Block from behind. Rebound again by Andre. Andre for 3. Wala. Rebound ng Central. Number 28. Nagmamadali. 2 against 2. Number 28. Basket. Power jersey number 28. 48-40. Balik sa 8 ang lamang ng Central. Kelilan, pass to Santiago, pass to Paul, binigay kay Andre. Andre, back to Paul. Paul, running shot, short, rebound again by Paul. Tumira, wala pa rin. Rebound by number 23. Is the foul. 2 shots para kay Gonzon. Substitution, number 45 coming in. Two shots para kay Guanzon. First shot is good. Second shot, missed. Rebound by number 29. Pass to Coach Dan to number 14, Ramos. Ramos sa loob, binigay kay number 0. Grabe naman ang lalim no, na ipasok pa yun ng Central. Here comes Paul, nagmamadali. Paul, may diskarte. Oh, steal by Ramos. Pass to Dan. Nolasco, easy 2-point. Umahawak, umahala pa ng kontak doon si Coach Dan. Time out, Santa Lucia Elementary School with the time remaining 2 minutes and 47 seconds. 52-41 in favor of San Juan Central. Back to the ball game. Andre, alley-oop to Espolita. 43-52, baba sa single digit ang Central. Nolasco at the post, number 0, back to Nolasco to number 27. Step back, oh! May foul lang tinawag. Foul number 13. Sino? First shot. Oy! Naipasok pa yun. Second shot para kay number 27. Ayan na po. Oh, 2 for 2 for the jersey number 27. Number 13, sharing on the play. Pass to Andre. Back to number 13. Number 13, pass to number 45. Kick out. Felipe, back to number 13. Fake. Oy, nagagawan. Makakuha na Nolasco. Outlet pass to Ramos. Ramos all the way. For easy 2 points. 56-43. Lumalaki na po ulit ang kalamangan ng Central. Number 13, pass to Felipe. Felipe up and under, gets the foul. Number 0. Two shots para kay Felipe Binky. Let's go. First shot is good for Felipe. Second shot, basket, 2 for 2. 56-45, baba sa 11. ang lamang ng Central. Ramos setting on the play. Ramos to Nolasco. Nolasco for 3. Wala, rebound. And that's a stepping on the line. Uy. Andre. Pass to Felipe. Felipe. Umatake. Using the glass. Basket for Felipe. Balik ulit sa Sham. With a single digit. 56-47. Ramos to Nolasco. Nolasco to Ramos. Ramos sidestep using the board. Humihingi pa ng foul si Ramos. Andre, pass to number 13. Pass to Felipe. Felipe, cross-court pass to Andre for 3. Bang! Rebound for Albaladeo. Baba sa 8 ang lamang. 58-50. Ramos. Pass to Nolasco. Nolasco for 3. No good. Rebound by... Uy! Out of bound. And as that is stepping on the line.
2.4 seconds left.
Felipe, outlet pass. Bad pass. Wala rito ng Central. Remaining time, last 2 seconds. 2 seconds na lamang po ang natitira. Uy! Block by Espolita. What a good defense for Espolita. And that's the end of our third period. Official score of 58-50. 8-point lead para sa Central. Tayo dadako na po sa fourth and last quarter. Shoutout muna tayo sa gilid dito. Pre! Hey, ma'am! Hey! You know? Siyempre, support natin yan. Okay, second game po natin. Ang championship game between San Perfecto. Sorry, maingay. Our main event, the championship game between the San Perfecto Elementary School versus the Kabayanan Integrated School. Ayan, maibabalik kaya sa Kabayanan ang titulo? Or magkakaroon tayo ng isa pang kampiyon ng San Perfecto? Malalaman natin yan maya-maya lamang sa ating second game. Let's go for this time. Fourth quarter tayo between the San Juan Integrated versus Santa Lucia. Sino kaya makakuha ng third spot? No good. Rebound by Roa. Roa to Espolita. Espolita nakalusot. Espolita derecho. Block from behind. Rebound. Makakuha ng Central. Number 28. Didiskarte. Bounce pass to number 0. Cross-court pass. Ilagay sa corner for 3. Yes! Para sa Tres. By jersey number 16. That's Cabigon. 61-50. Balik sa 11 ang lamang ng Central. Roa babawi sa 3. Wala. Rebound. Ayan na. Block by in Central. Number 28 behind the back. Cabigon. Pass number 29 to number 28. Basket na naman para sa Central. Ayan na, lumalaki na ulit ang kalamangan ng Central. Mangahas to Felipe, nabitawan. Espolita will recover. Pass to Felipe. Felipe with the Hesi. Ayan na, nagagawan. Find the loose ball. Makukuha ng Central. Substitution tayo. Ay, shoutout muna tayo siya. Hindi no. 6 seconds to shoot. Another steal. Ayan na. Number 28 behind the back. Cabigo. There's a foul by Andre Albaladejo. That is second personal foul. First team foul. Shooting the line, jersey number 0. That's Camilon. Correct me po if I'm wrong. First shot is good. Second shot para kay Camilon, if I'm not mistaken. Let's go. Wala. And that's a stepping on the line. 8 minutes and 29 seconds para sa ating laban. Andre, pass to Felipe. Felipe running shot using the board. Basket yan for Felipe. Babasa 12 ang lamang ng Central. Number 29, bounce pass, steal by Roa. Roa. Uy, nagagawan Espolita. Pass to Esteban. No good. Rebound ng Central. Ayan na, nagbabadali. Number 16. Nakalusot. Umatake. Wala. Rebound. Makuha ni Felipe. Outlet pass to Roa. 3 against 2. Roa atake. Too strong. Rebound by number 0. Pass to number 28. Number 28, di diskarte. Pass to number 27, di Hesi. Ayan na. Spin, binigay. Number 29, jump shot, no good. Rebound by Felipe. Felipe, outlet pass to Esteban, one-on-one. Oh, he gets the foul by number 0. Two shots for Esteban. No good. Second shot para Esteban. Esteban, wala. Rebound by number 76. Ramos. May tangan ng bola. Pass to number 16. Number 16, Hesi. Ayun na, di-discarte. Cabigon. Pass to Ramos. Pass to number 28. Bigay kay Cabigon at the corner. Libre sa 3. Rebound for Cabigon. 67-52. Andre babawi sa 3. Short. Sayang. Kinapos lang si Andre doon. Hindi pa tapos ang laban. 67-52 ang ating talan. Bola rito ng Central. Ramos didiskarte. Pass to Cabigon. Cabigon. Bounce pass. Steal by Roa. Roa outlet pass. Felipe. Uy. Out of bound. Good defense para kay Ramos. Six minutes and 23 seconds. Oh, steal. Outlet pass, one-on-one. Ramos umatake and gets the foul by Roa. Two shots for Ramos on the free throw area. First shot, no good. Second shot, miss. Rebound, makuha ni Esteban. Esteban, pass to Roa. Roa. To Esteban. Back to Roa. Ball for 3. Esteban to Pahe. Cross-court pass to Roa. Roa with Hesi. Roa umatake. Nabitawan. Makakuha ni Pahe. No good. Another rebound. Pahe and one! Basket count. That's a foul by jersey number 17. That's Pahe. Time remaining 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Pahe, wala. Rebound by Pahe. Pahe umatake. Wala. Esteban, no good. Another rebound. Esteban, too strong. Rebound ng Central. Mukhang inaalat dito ang Santa Lucia Elementary. Ramos. Pass to number 28. For pass, number 76. Oy! Ganda naman ang timing doon ng Central. Ayan na si Roa. Pass the ball. Kelilan to Esteban. Stop and pump. No good. Rebound by Coach Dan. Nolasco. Pass to Ramos. Ramos gets the foul. That is third personal foul. Third team foul. Wala pa tayong penalty. Ramos, pass to Nolasco. Nolasco. 5 seconds to shoot. 3. Nolasco. Wala. Rebound. Makakuha. Out of bounds. Ayan na. Oopsie. There's a foul. Ball to Roa, 4-3. No good. Rebound by Nolasco to number 28. Bounce pass to Ramos. Nabitawan. Last touch. Santa Lucia Elementary School basketball. Time remaining 4 minutes and 17 seconds. Roa. Roa 4-3. No good. Rebound by Andre. Andre umatake. Too strong. Rebound. Espolita miss. Rebound again ng Central. Ramos. Oopsie. Out of bound. Time remaining 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Roa nagmamadali. Pass to Andre. Andre to Roa. Roa to Paul. Paul 4-3. Yes, para sa tres by Paul. Kelilan. Di pa tapos ang laban. Baba sa 12 ang lamang ng Central. Number 76. Pass to number 28. Number 28, setting on the screen, running shot, miss, rebound, number 28 na naman, basket is good. Balik ulit sa 14 ang lamang. Here comes Paul. Paul, steal by Ramos. Ramos, all the way, basket. Walang tawag ang ating referee doon. Time out, Santa Lucia Elementary School. With the time remaining 2 minutes and 57 seconds on our game clock. Tingnan natin kung makakahabol dito ang ating Santa Lucia. Mahaba-haba pa ito. Let's go. Back to the ball game. Paul. Tahan ng bola. Sharing on the play. Pass to Roa. Roa back to Paul. Paul 4-3. Ben! 3-point for Kalilan. Paul. 73-60. Baba sa 13 ang lamang ng Central. Oh, steal by Espolita. Pass to Paul. Paul nagmamadali all the way. No good. Rebound ng Central. Number 28. Pass to Ramos. Ramos umatake. But there's a blocking foul. Number 3, that's Kalilan. Warning for penalty tayo. Ang Sles. Number 28, stop and pop. No good. Rebound by Roa. Last 2 minutes tayo. Nabitawan. Walang tawag ang ating referee. Ramos. Pinahesi. Ramos. Didiskarte. Pinigay kay number 28. Pinigay sa corner. Number 26 to number 14. Number 14. Libre sa Quest. No good. Rebound by Espolita. Pass to Roa. To Guanzon. Pass to Paul. Paul from elbow 3. Wala. Rebound. Number 29. Number 28. Pass number 21. Inubos na lang ang oras. Ramos. Ninahanap ang gitna. Binigay sa corner. Catch and shoot. Too strong. Makakuha ni number 21. Nabitawan. Steal by Roa. Bad pass. Steal by number 28. Ayun na. Side step. Bounce pass. Ramos. Easy. 2 points. Ayun na si Paul. Nagmamadali. Paul fake. 4-3. Short. Let's go. Last 54 seconds. At dito na po, inuubos ang oras. Oy, backcourt violation. Good defense by Sunnies. Santiago. Pass to Roa. Roa, top of the key. Basket. Last 32. Last 27. Last 20 seconds. Ramos. At dito na po nagtatapos. Wala pa pala. Last 24 seconds shot clock violation. Ayan na. Last 10 seconds. Ubos na lamang po ang oras. Roa 4-3. Wala. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. Congratulations! And nice game para sa ating Santa Lucia Elementary School. And congratulations for a third placer, ang San Juan Integrated School or San Juan Central. What a good game from both teams this season. Siyempre, ang Santa Lucia Elementary School, what a good, nice mashup of this season. Grabe ang pinakita rin ng Santa Lucia for ating fourth space. Alright, our final score 75-63. Panalo po ang San Juan Central. Alright, shoutout mo tayo. Baka may shoutout. Magbabalik po tayo for our next live. Hanggang sa muli, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.